In today's time, we have a great grace for earning money. We want to get different solutions to our different questions which can really matter in earning money for us. Today we are going to talk something about cryptocurrency. This is a digital currency. It's a medium of exchange through a computer network. We do bargaining by crypto through web. It is not dependent on any central authority such as government or any bank. A digital ledger stores coin ownership. A distributor ledger is called a blockchain. It has the growing lists of records. These are securely linked together via cryptographic hashes. And this is how the records are saved. The cryptocurrencies use decentralized control in comparison with CBDC or central bank digital currency. Nowadays, in 2024, there are top 10 cryptocurrencies which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Repo, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Avalanche. So if we want to do a hard work in a digital way to earn money, then we can try this kind of business.